Hello class, good morning again. So you saw the song and you heard the song about Mrs. Green, and now we're going to attach some symbols to each of these words to help us remember what they mean. So let's take the first one. The first one is this word called movement, and we're going to use a symbol for movement. It's very simple. We're going to use a person running. So I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to draw an arm. I'm going to draw a body. I'm going to draw the other arm going like this. And you can see that this looks like someone running. Here's this. And I'm going to draw one leg like this. And I'm going to draw the other leg like this. Okay, and now I'll draw two lines. 1, 2. And this looks like someone running. I'll draw the end of the arrow. Our first of the 7 criteria to determine if something is living is movement. If something can move, which means if it can go from one place to another, if it can move. Okay? Second word. Respiration. Respiration. If it breathes. So for respiration, we're going to use a very simple symbol. Here we're going to use O2, which is the symbol for oxygen. And we're going to draw a very simple drawing of our lungs. A little trachea and bronchi. And then here we're going to draw this. So on your paper, you're going to draw these symbols next to each word. Okay, there's lungs. Breathing in. Okay. Sensitivity. Now, sensitivity means, does it react to its surroundings? Is it sensitive? Is it perceiving? So sensitivity, we're going to draw 2 symbols for sensitivity. 1, can you feel, right? I'm going to draw a hand. There's a hand. The thumb was a little bit big. Maybe I'll make that thumb a little smaller. That's good. I have a hand for sensitivity, and I'm going to draw a nerve cell that looks like this. With little dendrites. And here we have the axon. And now we're going to draw another symbol for growth. So this is sensitivity. Here we have a nerve cell, as in your brain, if we're sensitive, if we can perceive. And then we have a hand for sensitivity, if we can feel. Now we're going to do a symbol for growth. Next to the word growth on your worksheet, you're going to draw this. Imagine it, maybe an acorn. Esto es más emblemático. Una bellota. An acorn. Okay. So growth, acorn, and you see the leaf going out. Maybe I'll use some green just to kind of exaggerate the idea of a leaf. Very well. That's the idea of growth. Okay. And now we're going to do a symbol for reproduction. My symbol for reproduction is going to be over here. Reproduction. Now, what we're going to do is, reproduction means that just like mommy and daddy have you, they come together and they reproduce. We're going to draw a symbol like this. 1, 2, and we're going to draw this symbol. Okay, and then another. This means example, mommy, 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 and daddy. They make a baby. So this could be a symbol for reproduction. Excretion. Excretion means that you go to the potty. So we're going to use if something excretes out waste, which means the potty, which I'm going to draw a very simple drawing. I'm going to draw like this. I'm going to draw like this. And now we're going to draw like this and like this. And here's the potty. Okay? And then we're going to write here, toilet. If you go to the restroom, if you use the toilet, excretion, you're a living thing if you excrete. And nutrition, we're going to write a symbol for nutrition, and we're going to write next to nutrition, we're going to do this. Ready? We're going to draw an apple. We're going to draw a banana. An apple and banana. So if you eat your food, if you need nutrition, that means that you're a living thing. So we have, if you see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, all 7, and once again, just to remember that this goes to here. All 7 of these symbols should be on your worksheet after drawing them with me. And now I will also take close-up pictures of each of the symbols, or I should say close-up video. Ok, pues ahora este es un consejo para los padres y las familias. Ahora lo que tiene que hacer vuestro hijo o vuestra hija es, después de dibujar los 7 símbolos al lado de cada palabra, movimiento, respiración, sensibilidad, si es capaz de sentir o de percibir estímulos, crecimiento, reproducción, excreción y nutrición, tenemos que usar estos 7 criterios para decidir si las cartas que tenemos en la ficha, cada carta tienen que decidir si es un ser vivo o un objeto inanimado. Quiere decir, no hace falta imprimir las cartas, con tal de ir uno por uno con vuestro hijo o con vuestra hija, podéis hacer la actividad juntos sin tener que gastar ni papel ni tinta. ¿De acuerdo? Y para esta actividad, lo mismo, se puede hacerlo vosotros y vosotras de manera casera, cogiendo un folio de A4, escribiendo las palabras y dibujando los símbolos. O si tenéis una impresora y preferís imprimir la ficha, pues tenéis el PDF. Un saludo y hasta pronto.